Opportunities for sustainability in production and return from dairy farming. Solar system to manage cost. Adopted solar system for electricity because most of the countries providing the subsidies on installing the solar panel, so it will to reduce the electricity bill. Secondly, use of green fodder or pasture to increase milk yield. To reduce the cost on nutrition by using the green fodder, which is about 32 to 40 kg per animal, or if pasture or grassland available, so for getting good quality of grasses. Maintain the grasses of pasture time to time by adopting the advanced management technology, for example, grazing technology, etc. Next, proper feed nutrition to improve milk quality and yields. Proper feed and nutrition management can improve milk quality, higher milk yields, and better reproductive performance, ultimately leading to increased profitability. Efficient milking to reduce the cost on milking by using milking machine. Herd health. Numerous health problems in animals can affect farms' profitability. There is control available, so please check the different disease animal time to time. First, mastitis, reproductive problems, ovarian cyst, lameness, preventable bovine disease, other dairy facts bites. Lactose does not have to mean dairy free. Some dairy like hard cheese contain little or no lactose. Get the full picture of why dairy matters for health. Health benefits associated with dairy foods extend far beyond building and maintaining health, bones, and teeth. Having enough milk, yogurt, and cheese can also be good for heart health, blood pressure, and maintaining a healthy weight. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are naturally full of important nutrients such as calcium and protein. The unique package of vitamins and minerals they provide means these dairy products pack some pretty important health benefits. In fact, the Australian dietary guidelines say that consumption of milk, cheese, and yogurt is linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, hypertension, type of 2 diabetes, metabolic syndrome, and colorectal cancer, some of the main causes of death in Australia. So please subscribe and like this channel and do favor. Thanks.